Hello everyone, my name is Piotrowski, and I'm going to be presenting to natural sciences through what is life through a natural science perspective. So first, I want to start by defining life. Like Brian said earlier, there's no exact definition of life itself. How many of you actually wake up every day and ask yourself, what is life? No one thought so, because I didn't either. So the definition of life that I got was the condition that distinguishes animals and plants from inorganic matter, including the capacity for growth, reproduction, functionality, activity, and preceding death. So through a natural sciences perspective, the definition I got was a science such as biology, chemistry, and physics that deals with objects, phenomena, or laws of nature in the physical world. So the way I went about it was the 7 properties of life. So the first property was response to the environment. So being able to interact with things outside of yourself. Secondly, adapting to your surroundings. So like for instance that TED Talk, when we saw that animal, it responded to the shore, and it responded to the different levels of sand, and it was able to adapt to its surroundings. The third is order. Energy required to keep yourself together. Without energy, we wouldn't be alive. 4 is regulation. So like homeostasis, the ability of the body to regulate or maintain a balanced level within the body. So for example, we want our pH level to be 7. If it's lower, we put stuff in our body to maintain that 7 pH level. And then energy processing. For humans, we eat food to gain nutrients to produce energy. For plants, they get CO2 from the air plus sunlight to produce sugar to give them energy. 6 is growth and development. So cells become bigger. As we grow older, our cells multiply, they become bigger. As time goes on, cells multiply and grow. And then lastly is reproduction. So there's 2 types of reproduction. There's asexual and sexual. Asexual is with a single organism, where one cell can split into 2 and then reproduce by itself. And then there's sexual with obviously 2 partners. So my next slide is living life. So for examples, things that are alive are like obviously humans, animals, trees, and plants. But there's some non-living things that also have properties of life, like snow and fire. Snow can grow, snow can adapt to the environment, but it's not a part of, they don't classify it as living. Same with fire. It can reproduce, it can grow, it can respond to its surroundings, but they don't classify it as like a living thing, life itself. So then lastly, I want to do a little contrast. So this is like an art picture, like a painting. To an artist, this picture has life. There's nature, there's trees, it has like a warm feeling inside with like bright colors. But like to a natural science perspective, this is just a painting. It doesn't reproduce, it doesn't grow, it can't respond to the environment, it can't do anything. It's just a picture, it just stays there, it's nothing. So that's just a little contrast between like maybe an artist's perspective and a natural sciences perspective. You can really go about any way of defining life from a natural science perspective. There's so many ways of going about it. This is just the way I went about it. And that's it. Thank you for listening to my presentation.